Hello everyone, I'm Arpitha from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Srinivas Institute of Technology. I'm here to present on the topic temperature regulating jacket. Introducing the temperature regulating jacket, an innovative solution designed to provide optimal comfort and adaptability in ever-changing weather conditions. This innovative jacket is designed to dynamically adjust its temperature, ensuring you stay cozy in cold weather and cool in warm conditions. A temperature regulating jacket is a type of clothing designed to adjust its thermal properties based on the condition to the wearer comfortable. Traditional jacket often leaves us feeling hot or too cold, but with the temperature regulating jacket, those discomforts are the thing of past. The jacket's adaptive features help maintain a balanced body temperature, offering enhanced comfort and versatility for various weather conditions. This jacket can respond intelligently to changes in both the external environment and your body heat. The jacket comes with user-friendly interface that allows you to adjust temperature to suit your preference. Whether you are an adventurer or an athlete or simply enjoy spending time outdoors, the temperature regulating jacket is your companion. Beyond outdoor activities, this jacket holds potential for medical application. For individuals with condition affecting thermoregulation, the temperature regulating technology can be life-changing, providing stability and comfort. Not only this jacket is a marvel of technology, but it's also crafted with sustainability in mind. The use of eco-friendly materials reflects our commitment to a greener future. Key features of temperature regulating jacket includes adaptive insulation. Smart fibers and materials adjust their thermal properties to maintain the perfect level of warmth or cooling. Intelligent sensors. Embedded sensors detect changes in temperature and humidity, triggering responsive actions for optimal comfort. Climate customization. Users can personalize settings through tailoring the jacket's performance to their preferences. Weather resistant, a durable exterior product against wind, rain, snow, keeping wearers dry and cozy in harsh conditions. Sleek design, combining functionality with style, the temperature regulating jacket offers a modern and fashionable appearance. All season well. Say goodbye to bulky winter coats and lightweight summer jackets. The temperature regulating jacket is versatile solution for year-round comfort. Materials required: fabric with insulating properties, fabric that helps retain body heat in colder temperature and provides breathability in warmer conditions. Phase change materials: these materials absorb and release heat to maintain a constant temperature. PCM can be embedded in the fabric or used as separate insert. Sensors are essential to monitor the wearer's body temperature and adjust the jacket temperature regulation accordingly. Microcontrollers. Microcontrollers needed to process the data from the sensors and control the heating or cooling elements. Heating or cooling elements. For temperature regulating jacket, you will need heating elements for warmth in cooler temperature, cooling element for cooling in warmer environments. Power source. It is necessary to provide the energy required to run the microcontroller, sensors, and heating or cooling elements. Design and sewing. It will need traditional sewing materials to put together the fabric and electronic components to form the final jacket. Together, let's redefine comfort and elevate outdoor experience to new heights. The temperature regulating jacket represents a breakthrough in wearable technology, offering a seamless and adaptable experiences for wearers in any weather. Embrace the future of comfort and performance with our innovative jacket, revolutionizing how we stay comfortable and stylish amid changing elements. Together, let's redefine outdoor apparel and embrace the era of temperature controlled wearables. Thank you.